we're still at the stage where we're partially acting on faith. But faith, I think, is well founded. Both of us have seen John Bedini, especially in Tom Eden, talk about these over Unity machines, and we still need to confirm for ourselves, and that's one of the reasons we've got this blog and the video, is that we'd like feedback back from people. Okay, Tom, do you want to put that other spark plug on there, mate?
Yeah.
Okay, video in there. So what we've got here, we've got a different spark plug on here, Tom.
That's right. This one's just got the other contact taken off, but you can see that we've got a gap there, which is probably, I would guess, somewhere in the region of 200 thou, almost a quarter of an inch. And you can see the sparks happily jumping across there as well. So
Yeah.
it would be interesting if anyone reading the blog does know how to calculate the voltage through air, then that would be great. The other important and interesting thing to note is, as that gap gets bigger, it's obviously increasing the resistance in the circuit. And look at the voltage on the meter coming out of the coil.
So, yes. So let's just recap on this. We've got, just keep that there. We've got 12 volts coming out the primary source.
Yep.
We've measured the Bedini at putting out the simplified schoolgirl circuit, putting out close to 100 volts, as shown on the oscilloscope. I think it measured 20 volts on the meter or something like that. I'm just looking at the notes now. It measured 20 volts on the meter and 100 volts there. And we think this is possibly in the order of hundreds of thousands of volts. Yeah.
I would think so, yeah. I would think certainly 100,000 volts.
Yeah. Okay, thanks, Tom. Okay, so what you're doing, I'll show the meter. You're moving that in and out. Yeah, you can just move that in and out. Yeah.
Just making and breaking the.
It's affecting the battery on the camcorder as well. Isn't that? Can you see?
Yeah.
So let's just look at the meter. Keep on doing that. It's jumping up to nearly 2,000 volts. You're not touching it at all.
Not at all, I'm just making and breaking the circuit.
Let's just bring back the camera to that again and see if we get the... no, that's very strange. It seems to be affecting the electrics on the camcorder, and about 5 to 6 inches above that. Okay, I'll stop filming.
Is if we use that for charging the battery, which is the output from the system.
Yes.
And we then tap off this coil, which we've seen we can get probably 100 to 200 volts from that coil, and feed that back into the primary battery. Would that give us a perpetual system? Would that maintain the charge in the primary battery whilst it's doing its work at the other end?
So we'll have to wait and see, I think.
That might be the next experiment. the transistor to absorb any sudden surges of voltage.
Can you just point out the neons, please?
The little ball like